2020 feel like that? Because my 2020 did. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around this garage and we're gonna walk around this house and we're just gonna see things that we see.
Hey, Kel.
And it's not gonna be scripted and we're just gonna convince you how to make your 2020 better.
Is that what your 2020 felt like, right? Because I can tell you that he is so mad at me right now. But that is what my 2020 felt like. It felt like somebody was just hiding behind me around every single corner, ready to nail my tongue to a wall and put an air horn in my ear.
Literally. Well, 2020 was a crazy year. The one good part about 2020 was that I got a new house, which I like, which welcome to the house. And I'm going to use this TV as an analogy. Don't really know how this relates to Amazon, but I will say this. That TV looks pretty good on that there wall, don't it? And that's how I picture Amazon looking in 2020. It looks pretty good on that there wall of all the other options of things that you could do to make money online in 2020 or going into 2021, whatever. It's kind of hard to nothing really stacks up to the one place where everyone's buying everything, right? I mean, am I wrong?
No, it's so hard because even with all the other options that are out there in the entire world, right? Like starting a restaurant or a drop shipping or literally anything in the entire world, right? What are people worried about right now?
Yeah.
The unknown.
Exactly.
That's the problem. It's this pandemic, the election, literally everything. It's just been the unknown. And let me tell you something that I do know, right? I know that in Q3, Amazon posted like $80 billion some dollars in profit.
80 billion.
And I also know that during the pandemic, during the lockdown, right, a couple months ago, that third-party sellers made buku bucks, right? And it's not necessarily, you can make so much money. But what it is what option do you have? I'm scared.
You want to see an example of a product that sells really well on Amazon? This is one of the best sellers.
No!
It's electrified. Did that hurt?
No.
It's an electrified bug zapper. When you think of... Okay, no! Come on, I need my ears to live. Okay? I hate that. Get that out of your pocket.
It's mine.
Anyway, this is a great product to sell on Amazon because it's so niche, it's so weird. Like, if you think about it, you're not trying to compete with, I don't know, Apple, right? You're not trying to make the phone, he's still trying to figure it out. You're not trying to make this phone. Like, no one's going to compete with Apple, but you can compete selling weird stuff like this, right?
Correct.
And this person is a literal millionaire.
I have 2 of them at my house.
Exactly, right? It's a great product.
It is, right? And so you may be like, why did I literally just watch 2 dudes with fake tongues nailed to a piece of wood? And then why did I watch someone put an air horn into something? And then why did he have an electric bug zapper? And I'm scared. No, no, no.
Are you not entertained? You know, basically our whole message here today, guys, is that we don't like to do the scripted stuff that you see on Facebook and on YouTube, and we'll still get a bunch of flack, I'm sure, in the comments that we're scamming you or blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, we really are just 2 normal dudes. Like, I don't know how else to show you guys this, but this is how, if you would meet us at a bar and have a drink, this is exactly how
I carry on an air horn with me everywhere, so be careful. No, but guys, this is who we are, right? We don't want to be like, look at my Lamborghini, check it out, right? We don't want to be like on a mountaintop.
Oh, I missed.
You got it on my phone.
Dude, if I can hit the camera. Oh, shit.
Oh! No.
Oh, sorry, guys. We get distracted.
Listen, that's literally all it is, right? And what we do is so real that we feel like we don't have to pretend. We don't have to be someone that we're not. We can make videos like this on the internet, be ourselves, to talk to real people like yourselves.
Yeah, and then I can just cut him off by stealing his camera. I'm just going to come in here and I'm just going to explain, because if that made no sense to anyone, real quick. We train people how to sell on Amazon. I'm very tall, so I'll just stand like this, okay? What that means is that, yes, we have all the videos and all the coaches and all of that stuff, but at this very present moment, when you're first watching me right now and first getting to know me, all I want you to do is click the link, and literally, you might watch a video first, or you might just automatically jump on a session with us, one of us, or one of our people, and we will literally just walk you through the whole thing. Like, does this even make sense for you? Like, for you sitting there right there who thinks that this is a cool effect. Oh, my wife's gonna kill me, but I hit the camera again. I'm pretty fantastic. What we're trying to do is exactly that. We're supposed to have laser focus, and we're trying to...
I was standing behind the camera as he was shooting silly string at us. Guys, basically the entire point of this, right, is what do you have to lose by clicking the button? That's literally it, right? We know it's been a shit show, and we don't know what's going to happen in the past, but what Kale and I are going to do is we're going to have fun. We're going to use air horns and shoot silly string at each other and do dumb stuff because that's who we are and that's what we like to do. And because of Amazon, it puts us in a place where we're able to do it.
If you click the link below, you will see me shoot him with this.
No.
On the next screen.
No.
I will not do it now.
No.
I won't do it until you click the button below and learn about Amazon.
Now
Okay,
we
I'm just gonna.
another bit.
Damn it.
Oh, your wife's gonna kill you. Okay, guys, click the button. Love you.